Welcome to World Cars Info, your go-to for all things automotive. From the latest news to expert reviews, we've got you covered. Whether you're a hardcore enthusiast or just curious, there's something here for everyone. Subscribe now and let's explore the world of cars together. Number 1. BATOCA Buffer. Introducing the BATOCA Cordless Car Polishing Buffer. Experience wireless polishing with double the endurance thanks to two powerful 12V lithium batteries. Perfect for professionals and enthusiasts alike, its precision design ensures flawless results with ease. Upgrade your car care routine and achieve a mirror-like shine effortlessly. Number 2. Self-folding straps. Introducing our self-folding ratchet straps for convenient and neat cargo transportation. Featuring a self-retracting spool, these durable polyester straps neatly retain excess tape after securing your load. With reinforced stitching and UV resistance, they're built to last. The secure locking mechanism and vinyl-coated S-hooks ensure a reliable hold on loads up to 200 pounds. Say goodbye to messy straps and hello to hassle-free storage and transportation. Number 3. VANTRUE E1 Recorder. Introducing the VANTRUE E1 Car Video Recorder, compact and reliable. With a high-quality CMOS sensor, it records clear 2K resolution footage. HDR technology and night vision ensure excellent video quality in all conditions. Built-in Wi-Fi and a mobile app offer convenient access to recordings and GPS data. Voice control enhances safety by allowing hands-free operation. Plus, parking mode with collision and motion detection provides peace of mind when your vehicle is unattended. Number 4. ENDOSCOPE BORESCOPE. Introducing the ENDOSCOPE BORESCOPE with screen, a must-have for engine diagnostics. This device is essential for assessing cylinder piston wear and checking for clogged combustion chambers. Simply insert the 2-meter cable with camera and LEDs into the spark plug well to view your engine's condition on the 4.3-inch color LCD screen. With excellent sharpness, the camera delivers clear images even at close range. Plus, enjoy video and photo recording capabilities for comprehensive analysis. Number 5. Wooden Fragrance Fans. Introducing wooden fragrance fans, an elegant touch to elevate your interior ambiance. Crafted from beech or pear wood, these decorative fans attach to air ducts, enhancing airflow and dispersing refreshing scents throughout your car. Choose from light wood or dark wood frames and 3 delightful fragrances: cologne, lemon, and ocean. Transform your driving experience with style and aroma. Number 6. Handheld Water Pump. Introducing the Handheld Water Pump, a versatile tool compatible with drills 350 watts and above. Ideal for efficiently pumping various liquids, it boasts a rugged plastic housing and stainless steel internals for corrosion resistance and durability. Built-in overload protection ensures safe operation during use. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for tasks ranging from pumping water to draining flooded areas. An indispensable tool for repair and construction work, providing convenience and efficiency wherever you go. Number 7. QE Fatty Multimedia Monitor. Introducing the QE Fatty Overhead Multimedia Monitor for Cars, a 19-inch Full HD entertainment center for backseat passengers. Enjoy stunning visuals and immersive sound with built-in audio and customizable settings. Connect USB drives, memory cards, and HDMI sources for media playback, while headphone and subwoofer ports enhance audio options. With 16-color RGB perimeter lighting, it creates a cinematic atmosphere in the car cabin. Easy one-click control and stylish design ensure seamless integration into any car interior. Elevate your car trips with the QE Fatty Multimedia System. Number 8. Portable Arc Welder. Introducing the Portable Manual Arc Welding Machine, a versatile tool with a current capacity of up to 120 amps. Constructed from shock-resistant ABS material, it withstands high temperatures without melting. The inverter supports various electrode types up to 3.2 millimeters thick, allowing for welding of carbon, alloy, and stainless steel. Its lightweight design ensures easy handling, fitting comfortably in hand. A bright display on the body shows current strength and device temperature for convenient monitoring. Efficient and portable, it's the perfect welding companion for various projects. Number 9. Detailing Brush Set. Introducing our set of 4 detailing brushes, a must-have for quick and thorough cleaning of vehicles and their parts. With brushes of different sizes and shapes, reach even the hardest to access areas. Soft bristles ensure gentle cleaning without scratching surfaces. Each brush features a 1/4-inch quick-release attachment for effortless replacement, ideal for aluminum, magnesium, chrome, lacquered, and painted rims on cars, trucks, and motorcycles. Number 10. BESTRIX Phone Holder. Introducing the BESTRIX Car Phone Holder, a sleek and secure solution for safe phone use while driving. With its strong magnetic grip and adjustable viewing angles, it keeps your device secure on any road. Compatible with any phone model, it offers unrivaled driving convenience with easy installation. Enhance your driving experience and eliminate distractions with the BESTRIX Car Phone Holder. As we conclude our exploration of the automotive world, we extend our thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to World Cars Info for more exciting content. Follow us on social media and visit our website for exclusive updates. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious with World Cars Info.